Welcome, dear creatives. In this video, I'll be showing us how to make this bridal veil fascinator headband. So you would be needing your headband, you need this embellishment. If you do not know how I made this embellishment, you should click on the link showing on your screen right now. Okay, it is very important. Also, you'll be needing your scissors. You also need your thread, matching color of thread and your needle. And then you need your veil or bed cage veil. Okay. Now, if you do not know how I achieved it to get this particular shape of my bed veil, just click on the link showing on your screen right now to watch that video. Okay, so now I'm going to just attach this embellishment on my bed cage veil, and then I'll use my needle and my thread to properly attach them together. So just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. So the next thing is just to actually attach my Alice band onto my bridal veil fascinator headband. So if you have not watched the video on how I created the embellishment and how I created the shape of my bridal veil, please go and watch it. That's the only way you will understand this particular fascinator. Okay, it is easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you also. If this is your first time of stopping by, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification button so that you'll not miss out on my weekly DIY videos that I drop every Wednesday by 3 p.m. So at this point, I'm going to just tie and then cut off the excess thread. And then I'm going to cover up the part of my thread that is showing using my interlining, or you can also use a part of your roots to cover that part. So our beautiful bridal veil fascinator headband is ready. Try out yours. I would love to see it. You can contact me through the number that is showing on your screen right now. It's my WhatsApp number. So see how beautiful it came out. Thank you for watching.